Now, I am going to explain cereals superfood. Generally, we eat more cereals and less vegetables in our routine food. So, whereas the persons who are suffering from diabetes, chronic diabetes or chronic kidney disease, they have to consume cereals less than 20 to 25% of the whole meals. Such a way, I would like to explain the superfood to prepare. So here any vegetables can be used for the chronic kidney disease patients except raw banana. And secondly, any pulses can be used except horse gram and red gram. That's what we call in India tur dal. Here the most important medicinal valued the spices are green chilies, ginger, garlic and coriander leaves. And now after leaching all these vegetables, we have got chopped and prepared in this way. Similarly, in place of vegetables, you can put leafy vegetable also. These leafy vegetables also should be properly leached. So now, as I have already told that cereal should be less than 20 to 25% and pulses should be less than 5 to 10% and remaining either vegetables or leafy vegetables or both can be used. So now to have a good taste and good aroma, we can use little bit, some 2.5 ml to 5 ml butter or ghee for preparation of around 500 gram to 600 gram of this cereal superfood. Now I will show you how to prepare it. Now it is already leached vegetables what I have shown you. So now I am putting in the cooker. Now after pouring that chopped leached vegetables, I am pouring these pulses. Pulses already I have told you except red gram and horse gram. Any pulses can be used for the chronic kidney disease patients or any other health issues patients. After pouring the leached vegetables, now I am pouring pulses. After that, we have to put curry leaves for good aroma. This is green chilies, coriander, garlic and ginger paste. So for preparing about 500 gram this cereal superfood, 1 tablespoon to 1.5 tablespoon this paste mixed with this other ingredients. Now along with that, for tasty we can put tomato, either tomato puree or tomato. Now cereals, as I told you, either we can use rice or we can use broken wheat. So now I will show in this preparation this rice cereal superfood. Now I am mixing this rice. After properly washing, you mix up the rice with all other ingredients, and this rice should be less than 25% of the other ingredients. About 200 ml to 250 ml, and in which you can put any other spices powder also. So all the spices powders are all, it's having a very good medicinal valued phytochemicals. I am putting just half a teaspoon of this butter for good taste and aroma. We have to close the lid. Now in this way, with all ingredients, you can add even leafy vegetables also. Now I am preparing with rice and vegetables. Now another dish you can prepare with broken wheat with the same vegetables also. Cook this cereal superfood for about 20 to 25 minutes or 3 to 4 whistles. And thereafter you remove the lid and you can enjoy with this food in breakfast or lunch or even dinner also. But you can change the recipe by using different vegetables and different leafy vegetables. But generally, nephro-dietitian says that not to consume these leafy vegetables. But I am authoritatively telling that I have experimented on my father that these leafy vegetables is having more calcium content, which is almost equivalent to the chicken or mutton for the vegetarians, so to say. So that's why the most important thing is that leafy vegetables are very important for the chronic kidney disease patients. The precondition is it has to be properly leached. So now that cereal super food, it's ready.